Hello everyone, welcome to Soul Tire Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. One important thing, guys, is that this is a bonus love reading for the zodiac sign Leos. It's a timeless reading, guys. Okay, so take it whenever it resonates, and however it resonates. If you're new to my channel, let me share you with something. If you want to help us with the donation, the details of the donation is given in the description box below. The second most important thing, guys, is that if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. The third most important thing, guys, is that if you want to learn tarot learning, online tarot learning and numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. And I'm not conducting live sessions for now because I'm really packed up with my personal readings. So whosoever wants to ask any particular question, kindly comment down below, or else which kind of videos you would like to see more on tarot reading. Okay, so yeah, so let me check it out what's going on with Leos. Okay, let's jump right in. So I'll be using whatever decks I'm using, tarot decks. The details are given in the description box below for the same. Okay, so yeah, this will be a shortcut reading for Leos. Okay, and thank you so much, Leos, because I've got maximum views on my last video for you guys, yours. Okay, for your zodiac. Okay, so thank you so much. Okay, yes. Okay, so yeah, what's going on with Leos? Universe, please tell me what's going on with Leos currently. What are they dealing with? What are they going for? Okay, wow. Okay, the Hierophant. Let me pull out all the cards, then I'll be, briefing it out. Wow. A Leo for Leo. Beautiful. Spirits, please tell me what's going on with Leos currently. Wow. In their love life. Spirits, please tell me what's going on with Leos in their love life currently. See, I'll be pulling cards for love life. If it comes related to career, I'll be telling you that. So do not worry about it. And if this resonates with you, I'm grateful. Kindly give a thumbs up, like button, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And we are really working hard towards crossing 1000 subscribers. So I'll be grateful to you guys. Okay. Wow. Okay. So we have got the Hierophant, the Strength, 9 of Wands, and the High Priestess. Okay, so Leos, in the head, in the mind, you are thinking about a long-term commitment. If you were into a relationship, some sort of this, long thoughts of long-term commitments are there. You're thinking about marriage thing into your head. Somewhere it is. Okay, you're still thinking about it. Okay, yes. But I think you are regaining your power back. You are being very you are being a lioness, okay, right now. You are being into your power right now, okay, and you are not taking any shit from anyone anymore, okay. Yes, you are guarding up yourself, guarding up from a person, individual, or if you were into a relationship in the past, you are guarding up from that person or that connection, and you are not listening to anyone. You are just analyzing a situation, thinking to protect yourself, analyzing the thought process of yourself, because you don't want to be weak when it comes to this connection. You have to deal with whatever you were dealing with in the past. You are no more going to take a shit about it anymore, okay. And you are being highly intuitive. You are being highly intuitive for sure. Yes, either in the past, either you walked away from someone or you are walking currently. Like your emotion, if you were physically detached from that person, that's okay. But now you are actually emotionally walking away from that person, from this connection, okay? And you are moving forward, moving forward. You are ending this connection. Like mentally, you are prepared to end this relationship, okay? And yeah, you're ready to end this relationship because you have regained your power back and you are no more going to give a shit about this connection anymore, because you have invested a lot with this connection and you are not ready to, you know, give yourself up anymore with this connection, okay? Yes, you are, you know, thinking very logically, practically, when it comes to your life, okay, how you want to proceed further, okay? King of Cups is also about an emotional level. So somewhere some sort of emotions are still there. You might be hiding it from yourself, but within you, you know that some sort of emotions are still there when it comes to this connection. But you are no more going back to this connection because there was a lot of sadness, disappointment, problems when it comes to this connection, and now you are no more dealing with this connection. You're not ready to deal with this connection because you're releasing all this stuck energy you had in the past when it comes to this connection, and now you are no more going you are no more going to, you know, give a shit about this connection anymore. Yes, you are waiting for some sort of new opportunities to move forward. Yes. Wow, the Fool. There is a new beginning for you guys waiting for you in the month of July. A new beginning is taking place for you. A whole new beginning, a whole new perspective, a whole new beginning, taking a leap of faith, taking a risk and moving forward towards a new life, new world altogether. It's a major transformation, major ending is taking place, major karmic cycle is coming to an end, and you are ready to take a leap of faith and move forward towards your new life, okay? It might be related to career as well, because right now I think you're protecting yourself when it comes to any more connection, so you won't be giving any more chances to any other connection, any other person, okay? Because and you will be thinking about yourself, how you want to move forward when it comes to your career life, your materialistic world, your finances, okay? And I can see that you are ready for this new beginning when it comes to your career, okay? Leaving this relationship behind and moving forward towards a new career, because you are regaining your power back. Wow, you're really regaining your power back when it comes to taking an action towards moving forward in life. Yes, yes, you are moving forward emotionally, also, and physically also. You are moving forward, you are prepared mentally to move forward from this connection, leave it behind and regain your power back. And yes, you will be all powerful. You know, you have that kind of energy where you want to lead people, you want others should follow you, you are ready to lead, you are in your leadership role currently, okay? Which is really good, and you are ready for it. What's more for you, spirits? Please tell me what's more for this connection. What's more you need to tell to me about this? Wow, wow, you are moving forward into your into your life, because you had a major heartbreak, okay? And there was for other people of out there is like two energies I'm picking. One, there was a major heartbreak when it comes to this connection, and the second energy is that you are going through some there was some third party situation. Third party might be a family member, might be a lover, the third lover or something like that, okay? So the third party situation was there, and you felt very heartbroken and you walked away from that connection in the past, and now you are moving forward towards a new beginning, new life, taking an action towards it. You are ready to take a leap of faith when it comes to this new life, new career, new finances. Yes, releasing all the confusions, dishonesty, lies, and now you are ready to move forward with a lot of strength, happiness, and I can see that a lot of opportunities are waiting for you guys. Okay, new opportunities, major changes will be taking place for you in the month of July, because between 27 to 30, a lot of that karmic cycle will be coming to an end, and from 1st of July, a lot more new changes will be coming, new opportunities will be coming for you guys. Okay, and that's a beautiful thing. Okay, I can see that it's a beautiful thing, because a lot of confusions you are releasing. Okay, yes. So spirits, please tell me what's next. Last message. What's next for wow. So wow, king and queen. So yeah, you are regaining your power back from being disappointed, being heartbroken, walking away to a new beginning, new life, releasing all the confusion, regaining your power back, thinking about your finances, your career, your materialistic world. Beautiful it is. Now let's pull out few universal cards. What universe wants to tell to you? Major karmic cycle, major transformation is coming to an end for you guys, which is beautiful. Universe, please tell me. Wow. Okay, so 2 cards are there. Okay, I picked up 2 cards. The first is Wheel of Fortune and the second is Chariot. Okay, so major karmic cycle is coming to an end. Okay, and you are going through some major spiritual awakening, internal transformation, internal healing currently when it comes to your love life. Okay, and yeah, there is some sort of movement will be taking place moving forward, and you will be, once you take a leap of faith, once you go for a new beginning, there is a lot of new success. You will be victorious when it comes to a connection, when it not a connection basically, but we will be victorious when it comes to this movement. This movement will be proving a positivity towards you. Okay, so let me pull out few other cards from the Osho Zen Tarot deck. Okay, wow. Control, you are releasing the control. Okay, so you are taking your control back. Okay, so if you in the past someone was controlling you, you are taking your power back. Okay, you're taking your control back into your life. Okay, integration. Wow, there is a transformation from a spiritual world. There is a divine intervention into your love life right now. Okay, which is beautiful, and a divine intervention is taking place for you guys, which is really good. Yes, trust the universe. Trust the universe, because universe has something beautiful for you. You have to just wait for the beautiful life which is lying ahead. Okay, yes guys, trust the universe. What's going on? And major like universe, and there is universal interference into your love life. There is major integration when it comes to spirit world. So yeah, it's a beautiful integration. Lot of like universe has made this situation for you right now. So do not panic, because I know you are releasing all this confusion, heartbreak, and you're ready to take a leap of faith, ready to take a risk, ready to move forward into your life. Okay, so yeah, there are 2 healing messages for you guys. Okay, healing messages for healing anger. I know how Leos are, but since I am a Leo, so we are really short tempered. Okay, in our behavior. So this is a healing message for you guys. Okay, if you are angry by someone or something. Inspired, I go after my bliss, but I'm also open to the emotional reactions of others. I know what is the meaning of this. Healing message for healthy relationship. There are multiple ways to look at any situation. So you are, your perspective is changing for in a positive way, and you know how you want to move forward into your life, and now you are taking a power back into your life to move forward, and which is a beautiful thing, Leos. Okay, and I'm really happy for you guys. Okay, And yes guys, if you really like this reading, kindly hit the subscribe button, and I'll be uploading daily, weekly, monthly readings for the same. So if you are new to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and help us to cross 1000 subscribers. I'll be grateful to you guys. And yeah, see you again. Bye bye guys, thank you so much.